Danny can rent a van for either $80 with unlimited mileage or $45 plus 40 cents per mile. For what numbers of miles traveled would the unlimited mileage plan save Danny money? We'll start by letting x equal the number of miles traveled. Well, we know that there's two plans. There's a plan for unlimited mileage, and there's a plan where she has to pay a certain amount plus an amount per mile. So looking back at the paragraph we were given, we can see that she can rent a van for $80 with unlimited mileage. So I'll go ahead and put $80 on the side that says unlimited mileage. And now to pay per mile, it states that she has to pay $45, so I'll put $45, plus she pays 40 cents per mile. So since 45 is in dollars, we'll also need 40 cents to be in dollars, so we'll write it as $0.40. And this is the pay per mile, so it's times the x miles. So on the left, we have $80 for unlimited mileage, and on the right, we have 45 plus 0.40x for the amount she would have to pay per mile. Finally, looking back again, it says we want the unlimited mileage plan to save her money. Or in other words, we want the unlimited mileage to be less than the per mile. So we'll write 80 is less than 45 plus 0.40x. Now we need to solve for x. So the first step is to subtract 45 from both sides. This gives us 35 is less than 0.40 times x. Finally, dividing both sides by 0.40, which is a positive number, so it doesn't change the inequality, this gives us 87.5 is less than x. We can also write this as x is greater than 87.5. This tells us that if Danny travels more than 87.5 miles, then the unlimited mileage plan will save her money.